says Trinidad Carnival 95. What's your name there?
Janice.
Janice and
Carl.
Carl.
Both from Trinidad?
Yes, we are. And my friend here, my family here.
Come in here. Come behind me.
Yeah, they all here. Yeah, my sister from Virginia. My sister
All
came.
sisters, all sisters.
Virginia, who's from Virginia? Virginia? This is New York. Your name?
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth and?
Nisha.
Nisha, y'all having fun time?
Very much fun.
You carried the banner for phase 2?
That's right.
You had a great time?
Yes.
All right. Carnival 1995. Having a ball? Yes. Come on. Hey. What's your name?
Judith Jackie.
Say that again.
Judith Jackie.
Having a great time,
A
Judith?
fantastic time.
Enjoy yourself, okay?
I will.
One love.
Okay.
All right.
What's your phone number?
Phone number is 5470. So the woman was there. That one there. 5470.
New York.
Okay. I want to know, why you have this on your nose and your mouth?
Because it's so dusty out there, man.
A lot of dust?
Yeah, man.
You remember that tune by David Rudder, Dust in the Face?
Dust in the face, yeah.
You know what he's talking about?
Yeah, man.
Steel band?
Yeah, of course.
Oh no, is this a literal dust in the face?
I think this is the literal thing.
It dust in your face?
That's right.
Anyway, all of that is mass.
Yeah,
You're still having fun, right? You're from London?
I'm from Toronto.
Toronto?
Yeah.
All right, that's great. Great to have you down here for Carnival 95. Have a good time, all
I
right?
enjoyed Carnival immensely. I'm Trinidadian.
No. You're not a JCB, are you?
No.
You always come back?
Of course.
Come on. We do this one. So let's go. This is where you jump, 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 jump. going home, jump up. We are going home, jump up. We are going home, jump up. We are going home, jump up in the north sun, jump up in the grandstand, jump up in the north sun. Hey, 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 hey. We are going home, jump up. We are going home, jump up. We are going home, jump up. That's in the air tonight. That's in the air, alright. That's in the air tonight. That's in the air. Oh Lord, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Hey, escape the kid from the West Indies and I told you about the jumpies. Coming out, coming out. 175 of you, that's on the border line.
Hello. Wait. Don't go yet. Come, let me say hello to you. Let's say hello here. Hello. We ain't going home. Jump up. We ain't going home. Jump up. We ain't going home. Jump up. Hey.
Go away. Today.
Well, she want to leave me. All right. Jump up. We ain't going home. Jump up. We ain't going home. Jump up. Yes, Carnival 1995. We have more. Stay with us.
Poison going on.
Sparrow, Sparrow. Sparrow. Hey,
Denzel.
we have. Hey, come closer here.
Go around.
CJ, Trinidad Carnival 1995. Your home or what?
Place to be. No place like home, you know.
Oh yeah.
That's right.
You had a boss carnival?
On the road.
On the road.
On
But
the
I know
road.
I know it's Carnival Tuesday and thing, and you're a bit tired. You say?
Well, I've been working right through, you know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And you're having fun.
Ball.
Alright.
I woke up to this morning and I take the rest of the day for myself. Yeah, son.
You know we
What's a mass and thing?
I hear you. You know what you could do right now on CultureShare?
What's that?
You could go back on the road and get somebody back and out.
On the road.
Good enough?
Good enough, man.
All right. Let me go. All right. Good.